cooking, but now we're back. My little brother is coming for our cooking show. Come on in, Rory. Hi, guys. Today we're going to be making mason jars cookies and cream ice cream. First, we need a lid that fits it tight on the mason jar. Then we need Oreos and something to crush them with. Then we need a cup of heavy cream. And then we need 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of clear vanilla extract. Then we need a pinch of salt. First, we're gonna start banging the Oreos. No, I am. Okay. I'm not making so easy. Okay, next we pour most of our Oreos in the jar, but save some for toppings. Now I'm going to pour the cream into the jar, the heavy cream into the jar. Go ahead. Good job. It's already looking like Oreos. It's scary. It's scary. A little faster. Okay, or just dump the whole thing in there. I go slowly. Okay, it's okay. Cream awaits. That's it. Now I'm going to pour a tablespoon of sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Then I'm going to pour the vanilla extract. And then a pinch of salt. Then we are going to put our lid on and screw it on really tight. Okay. It's not all the way on, I think. How do we do it? 5 minutes. Now we are going to shake it for 5 minutes. Set a timer.
Come on, shake it.
Shake it, shake it.
All right, Emma's turn.
My turn.
Now shake it fast, not shake it slow.
The ice cream has been in the freezer for 3 hours. Time to taste it. Let's see this. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh my god. Amazing. Cheers. Cheers. Thanks for watching. P.S. If you try this recipe, let us know.